Welcome to Maths is Easy. Hello friends, as there is always a need of help in calculating or solving mathematics questions on different levels, I am here for the same. In this video, I am going to solve question number 9, 10, 11 and 12 of Exponents, book Goel Brothers Prakashan, class 8. So let's check it out how to solve the question number 9, 10, 11 and 12. In question number 9, we have been given 6 raised to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 36 equal to 216. So, how can we solve it? 6 raised to the power 2x plus 1. We can write 36 as 6 square and 216 as 6 cube. So, what is next? 6 raised to the power 2x plus 1. We can transpose division 6 raised to the power 2 into the right hand side, so that it will become multiplication 6 raised to the power 2. In the next step, 6 raised to the power 2x plus 1 would, as the both are in multiplication, so their powers will be added. 6 raised to the power 3 plus 2, that is 6 raised to the power 2x plus 1 equal to 6 raised to the power 5. Now, as we can see, the bases are same 6 and 6, so we can write it as 2x plus 1 equal to 5, that is 2x equal to 5 minus 1, that is 2x equal to 4, that is x equal to 4 by 2. So we will cancel it and answer would come out as 2. So this was the question number 9. In question number 10, we have been given 5 raised to the power 4x into 5 raised to the power minus 2x equal to 125 into 5 raised to the power x. So in our next step, we will write like this: 5 raised to the power minus 2x. 125 can be written as 5 raised to the power 3 into 5 raised to the power x. So as here we can see that all the bases are same here, so we can write this as 4x plus minus 2x equal to 3 plus x. Why the plus sign is here? Because the bases are in the multiplication, so their powers will get added. So we will open it in our next step. So we can transpose the variables form into the variables form and normal form into the normal form. So 4x minus 2x and minus x would become minus 3x equal to 3, that is 4x minus 3x would be x equal to 3. This is our answer. Question number 11. In question number 11, we have been asked by what number should minus 4 by 7 raised to the power 2 be multiplied to get 49 by 16 raised to the power minus 2. So, what we have been asked, by what number should minus 4 by 7 raised to the power 2 be multiplied so as to get 49 by 16 raised to the power minus 2. So, our next step would be, first of all, we will remove negative from the powers. So if we remove negative from the power, the number will get reciprocated. So 49 by 16 would become 16 by 49 whole raised to the power 2. So next step would be minus 4 by 7 raised to the power 2 into x. 16 can be written as 4 raised to the power 2, and 49 can also be written as 7 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 2. So minus 4 by 7 raised to the power whole raised to the power 2 can also be written as minus 4 raised to the power 2 and 7 raised to the power 2 into x. So powers within the bracket and outer the bracket will get multiplied. So it would become 4 raised to the power 4 by 7 raised to the power 4. In our next step, we will transpose this number to this side, that is 4 raised to the power 4, 7 raised to the power 4, and as the number is multiplied in here, so it will get divided. So when it will get divided, it will get also reciprocated. So number would like this. So we can cancel this and cancel this with this and with this. Next step would be x square equal to 4 square by 7 square, that is x equal to 16 by 49. That is our answer. In question number 12, we have been asked by what number should 3 raised to the power minus 2 will be divided so as to get 9 raised to the power minus 3. So for removal of the minus from the power, we will reciprocate these whole number as 1 by 3 raised to the power 2. As this number is in division, for multiplication it will also get reciprocated, and for removal of negative from the power it will also get reciprocated like this. So we can transpose this to this. So 1 by 9 raised to the power 3 into 3 square by 1. So 1 by x would be equal to, we can write 9 raised to the power 3 as 3 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 2 by 1. So it would become 1 by 3 raised to the power 6, 3 raised to the power 2 by 1. So it can get cancelled. So 1 by x would be equal to 1 by 3 raised to the power 4. So after multiplication, x would become as 3 raised to the power 4, that is 80.